Today I'm making cookie dough balls. First, in a large bowl, I have 1 stick of melted butter. Next, add a half a cup of brown sugar. Then a third of a cup of sugar. Then add a teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix that up until it's combined. Next, I'm going to add 1 cup of heat-treated flour, which just means I put it in the microwave until it reaches 160 degrees. Then mix that up until the dough forms. Next, add 2/3 of a cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips and then fold that in. Next, I have a lined cookie sheet. I'm going to use a cookie scoop to scoop out the cookie dough balls, and then I'm going to roll it into a bowl and then put it on the cookie sheet, and then I'm going to put these in the fridge for 30 minutes. Next, I'm going to melt 1.5 cups of melting chocolate. Now I took the cookie dough balls out of the fridge. I'm going to dip each one in the melting chocolate and then put it back on the parchment paper and then sprinkle some chocolate sprinkles on top, and then I'm going to repeat the process with the rest of the cookie dough balls. Lastly, I just let the chocolate set up on the cookie dough balls for 30 minutes, and now here's an up-close look.